Under the quiet hum of innovation, something extraordinary has emerged from China, a creation so advanced that it feels like it belongs to another century entirely. While most of the world debates the next big step in technology, China seems to have already taken 10. This latest invention has not only stunned engineers and scientists globally, but it's also made one thing very clear: the future is not coming. In China, it's already here. In the heart of China's industrial powerhouses, a silent revolution is unfolding. Teams of scientists, robotic engineers, and AI specialists are working together in ways the rest of the world hasn't yet imagined. This invention, a seamless fusion of artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and precision automation, represents a leap so large that even the most advanced Western labs are scrambling to understand it. It's not just an upgrade to existing technology. It's a complete rethinking of what's possible. The story begins deep within China's research and innovation centers, where the government has poured billions into next-generation development. But unlike the flashy launches of smartphones or EVs, this innovation didn't arrive with marketing hype or global press events. It simply appeared functional, efficient, and transformative. Designed to operate autonomously, powered by self-sustaining energy systems, and guided by real-time AI learning, this invention seems to blur the lines between human ingenuity and machine intelligence. Imagine a system capable of diagnosing its own problems, repairing itself, and even evolving its design over time. That's what Chinese scientists have built. It's a machine that learns faster than any previous model, adapts to environmental conditions instantly, and requires almost zero human oversight. Engineers call it a living machine, a tool that grows smarter, cleaner, and more efficient every single day. In a world still dependent on fossil fuels and manual oversight, this kind of self-sustaining innovation is nothing short of revolutionary. The system runs on renewable energy, solar, kinetic, and even ambient power, meaning it can continue operating indefinitely without refueling or plugging in. It's completely self-powered and self-learning, a concept that merges artificial intelligence with eco-conscious engineering. When videos of the prototype began circulating online, experts across Europe and the US were shocked. Analysts described it as a 100-year leap, something that could redefine the core principles of industrial manufacturing, logistics, and sustainable technology. It's the kind of invention that doesn't just change a sector, it changes how we think about progress itself. For decades, many believed that true self-sufficient systems were a fantasy. Machines still needed humans to control, to repair, to update. But China's new invention is rewriting that belief entirely. It can run cities more efficiently, transport goods autonomously, and even adapt its processes for different industries from construction and healthcare to energy and transportation. Every movement, every calculation, every adjustment is powered by AI models trained on billions of data points. The system isn't just performing tasks, it's thinking, optimizing, and evolving on its own. It studies performance in real time, detects inefficiencies, and corrects them instantly, something no human workforce or traditional computer system has ever achieved at this scale. Behind this invention lies China's long-term strategy to dominate not just the production of goods, but the creation of intelligence itself. Over the past decade, the country has focused on developing AI ecosystems where machines can interact, communicate, and teach each other. This invention is the culmination of that vision, a self-governing network of technology that mimics nature's efficiency and resilience. It's not hard to see the implications. With this system, entire industries could become autonomous. Cities could be maintained by self-operating infrastructure. Supply chains could function without human intervention. It's not science fiction, it's the next logical step in China's pursuit of complete technological independence. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, nations are still debating AI regulation, struggling with outdated infrastructure, and relying on human-centered systems that limit efficiency. China, however, has bypassed those arguments by building a future where innovation is not restrained by bureaucracy or fear. Their belief is simple: progress must move forward and fast. The foundation of this invention lies in China's ability to integrate multiple fields: AI, robotics, quantum computing, and green energy into one synchronized framework. This integration has given rise to machines that don't just perform, but adapt. They think in patterns, learn from mistakes, and refine themselves. It's as if evolution itself has entered the technological world, and China is leading that transformation. Experts call this techno-evolution, where machines evolve through software and data the way living organisms evolve through DNA. And with each iteration, they become smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. No downtime, no fatigue, no human error. The invention's applications are nearly limitless. In factories, it can assemble products with perfect precision. In agriculture, it can manage farms, control soil health, and predict weather shifts. In urban settings, it can maintain power grids, water systems, and transportation networks, all without human input. The result is a society where technology truly serves humanity, operating quietly and flawlessly behind the scenes. Western analysts are calling it a wake-up call. Because while many countries still rely on external tech providers and traditional energy systems, China has built something that can power itself, a closed loop of innovation that doesn't depend on anyone else. It's this independence that's giving them a 100-year lead in the race toward the future. But beyond the technology itself, there's something deeper happening here, a shift in philosophy. China's inventions aren't just designed for profit or consumer demand, they're designed for national evolution. Every breakthrough is part of a much larger goal to create a self-sustaining technological civilization. This invention embodies that dream. It's more than a machine, it's a symbol of what's coming next. It represents an age where artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and human creativity merge into a single force. A force that can reshape economies, redefine power, and transform how we live. While the rest of the world races to catch up, China continues to move silently, methodically, and relentlessly forward. They're not waiting for the future, they're building it right now. And with every invention like this, the gap grows wider. The world is watching, but China isn't slowing down.